The OnePlus Z doesn't look all that different from the OnePlus 8 series, with a punch hole cutout central to the top of the display, rear cameras in a bump to the left of the device, and seemingly no 3.5mm headphone jack. Just before the announcement of the OnePlus 8, a huge leak laid bare all the three phones including the Lite device. This leak said that the phone will have a 6.4-inch screen, 48 megapixel plus a 16 megapixel and a 12 megapixel camera, and a 16 megapixel front camera with 4000 mAh of battery cell and a MediaTek 1000 chipset. But now that has been replaced by a new rumor that says that it will be using a Snapdragon 765 chipset instead of the MediaTek 1000L. The MediaTek 1000 is a better chipset in terms of performance and power consumption if we compare it to the Snapdragon 765, but the 765 has a built-in 5G modem, so it's really nice to see that it can really help OnePlus 8 Lite or the OnePlus Z to get better in terms of competition alongside the Pixel 4a and the iPhone SE 2, which are priced in a very similar manner. Now another leak suggests that it might be using a 90Hz fluid AMOLED panel, but that is unsure because 60Hz would really get the OnePlus to cut down the price by a lot of margin, but 90Hz will get the selling point of the phone to be even better. However, that remains a mystery, but the 5G connectivity will allow the phone to compete in a broader market, and it will also allow the phone to stand out in its price by a lot of margin. So let me know what are your thoughts on the OnePlus Z, and do you really think that it is a good option to opt for, or do you think that it is going to be a massive fail for the company? This is the Reza Sun and I'm signing out. Peace out.